How to add text in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Add your video or photo, and at the bottom you'll find text. Click on text. After you've clicked on text, click on add text. And then type in whatever you want to add as text. I'll simply type in rabbit and press on tick mark. Click on style at the bottom. And then you can resize it, add different fonts, color, stroke, glow, background, shadow, curve. You can also add effect and animation. After you're done, press on tick mark at the top. After you click on tick mark, you're good to go. As you can see, you can also drag your text wherever you want. After that, simply save your video and you're good to go. This is how to add text in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.